for kidney health. I am definitely using a lot of parsley. As you can see, I'm going to use parsley, a handful of parsley. I'm going to use apple, and I'm going to use I'm using actually green and red apple, and I'm using some lime, and I'm also using some beet. Okay, so I'm going to take the soft ingredients first, and I'm going to put it into the juicer. I'm going to take the apples, and I'm going to put them in there as well. And now I'm going to take the lime, and I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to take the beet, and I'm going to put that in as well. Okay, so now we're going to juice this up. Okay, and I am going to turn the juice off, and we are going to see how much. I don't think there's much for this one. I'm thinking maybe about 10 ounces, maybe like 8 ounces. It's very red, nice rich red. We have about a good 8 ounces here, and so I'm going to strain this, and then we're going to try it. Okay, and so for this one, remember what we have? We have parsley, we had beet, you know, and we had lime, and we had red apple and green apple. Okay. All right, so we're going to try it. Oh my God, this is so good. I love, especially when I keep the skin on it. With the lime, with the apple, it's so good. Oh my God. Interesting to see what I can make. It's so good. Oh my goodness. For kidney health. So may these lovely kidney health juices nourish you on your juicing journey and your wellness journey, your holistic journey. And I want you to remember to check out my other juicing videos here at Montauk app.